Your search for a light, versatile, and modular bending tool is over. Look no further than the professional-grade metal benders by Malco. Metal benders by Malco are designed for bends on flashing, roofing details, standing seam, and exposed fastener metal roofing. Narrow bearing stance models follow curved panels easily or form straight bends when needed. Wide bearing stance models provide more control for straighter bends. Both variations may be paired with a bender connector, FSC1, for a modular experience, allowing pros to customize their setup in a 1 or 2 station configuration. The handle for the bender allows the user to add additional leverage to the bender or provide a more comfortable location for your second hand. Metal benders have adjustable rollers for different thicknesses and materials, and the exclusive angles roller avoids scratching material on 90-degree bends. Malco's metal benders are built tough with premium CNC aluminum and stainless steel components for more durability and stability, allowing for more precise and higher quality bends. Available now at Big Rock Supply.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.